Okay, so one of the things that we do with fitters is we get them to disassemble a Davy water pump. Now, it may look very simple, but there is a bit of a catch to disassembly and reassembly of this particular device. So the whole practicality of it is show us what you can do, as opposed to, oh yeah, I can pull apart water pumps. Pulling it apart's not the problem. Putting it back together again is the issue. So there are 4 bolts, 10mm. Now, the important thing to remember is to hold on to it when we're going to go, because there's a spring inside. But if you don't know that, that can get a lot of people. Okay, you see that spring loaded? Okay, and that sits in there with a spring inside. Okay, that's the relief valve. That's in there, the spring goes in there. So, how do you put it back together again? Well, you don't do it the way I did it, by disassembling. Turn the motor on its head, because you need to put this back on with the spring included.